Hello friends, this question is for test series number 1. Subject name is control system, topic is compensators and controllers. It's a 1 marks problem. In the problem we have one transfer function of one compensator is given to you, and question says that the phase of above compensator is maximum at. So you need to find out the frequency for which the phase is maximum, right? So for frequency you can just put the s is equal to j omega in the transfer function. So it will be j omega will be equal to 1 plus j omega upon 2 plus j omega, right? It is a quadratic form of the transfer function, so we just find out the phase. So we know that if x plus jy is the quadratic form, then angle is tan inverse of y by x. You know, simple formulas of trigonometry, the same formula I'm going to use here. So my phase will be pi omega will be a tan inverse of omega by 1, and it will be minus time tan inverse of omega by 2, because it will be tan inverse of omega by 2, and that it is because 1 by it is 1 upon theta. You know, 1 by theta is equal to minus theta. So the same logic, if we take the angle up, so we need to add one minus sign here. So this is the phase of this compensator, tan inverse omega minus tan inverse omega by 2. Now we want to know the maximum shift, right? So by calculus we know that how can we calculate the maximum and minimum for any system, any general system? We need to take the first derivative and equate the 0, because first derivative we equate the 0, then it will be we get the critical point. The critical points are the point which will provide the either maximum or minimum. So basically we need to find the first derivative, d phi omega by phi omega equal to 0. So just use the trigonometric formula, 1 upon 1 plus omega square minus 1 upon 1 plus omega square by 4 is into 1 by 2 is equal to 0, right? Again, just take the LCM, solve it, do the calculation. You will get omega square is equal to 2, or omega is equal to root 2 radian per second, right? We have only one critical point, so there is no point of minima. It will be maximum only. We cannot take minus, okay, because all the four options having the positive frequency, so there is no point of confusion, okay. So we can directly take the root 2 radian per second. In general system, if you have more than one critical point, then you need to verify in which critical point you have maximum or minima, right? So on that case you need to take a double derivative also, but here because we have one critical point only, so there is no point, okay. So my correct option is option A. Thank you.